It's here! It finally came! What's up, guys? My Mavic 2 came in about an hour ago. It's so pretty. Still has that new drone smell. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna be getting their Mavic 2s this week. It's gonna be a lot of first time flying. So I wanna do a stability test, a high wind stability test. Let's put it through its paces. Let's see how stable it is, how well it holds up against the wind. Let's do some testing. It would probably make sense if I tested the Mavic 2 against something like, like the Mavic 1, but it's not gonna happen. I just did the firmware update. This is actually gonna be her maiden voyage. So, much like the last high wind stability test I did, there's no wind going on outside. On top of that, it's like 105. Always think safety. Okay, I want to start off with a basic wind from the front. Well done. All right, we're going from the side. Good. From the side. I don't know. The gimbal's sideways. Just keep going. The back. Try to go up. impressed. It's a little smoky in here. Okay. My original thought was to have both these drones flying in here at the same time, but that would have just been ridiculous. So to give us a baseline, I'm going to do the same test with the Phantom 4 Pro. The Phantom 4 is so loud. Start again from the front. I feel like I should take it easier with the Phantom. Immediately, I don't feel as confident with the Phantom. Now, I know I didn't hit the Phantom quite as hard as I did the Mavic, but I didn't have the confidence in it. But holy cow, I'm impressed. This is what I wanted in the Mavic Pro. The Mavic Pro, Mavic 1, whatever, that was my favorite flying drone, my favorite drone to fly. I love the way it handled. It was just really intuitive for me. And I never really cared for how the Phantom flew. It just felt clunky to me. The Mavic Pro was much more of a precise flyer. What I wanted was this camera on this drone. Now I've got it. I'm super excited. Lots more Mavic 2 videos on the way, so be sure you subscribe. I've got 3.5 hours till Sarah gets home to get all the exhaust fumes out of the house, so wish me luck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If she doesn't kill me. Okay, it's been almost 2 hours, and it still really smells like exhaust in here. My head is pounding so bad. It feels like my face is puffy and I can't open my eyes all the way. I think it's time to get serious. Eliminates odors. Getting there. Should probably rub that in. It's close. I feel like I need to say at some point in this video, don't try this at home. Let my pain be your wisdom. Also, thank you for your continued support, and lots more to come.